hanapin yung kanyang pangalan. Rank AB na to mga madam. May darker bacheta na yung kanya dito. O, ayan. And meron siyang padlock here. Medyo may sign of usage na yung mga handle. Not sexy na. Ayan, may mga sign of gamit-gamit na yan. And the outer part is like that. And the bottom part is like this. Ayan. And the edge corner is like that. And this is the inside part. Medyo may sign of usage na pero hindi pa rin halata. And this is rank AB. Ayan. Wala naman ano yung ilalim niya, butas. Okay naman yung ano. Ayan. And goes like that. Handbag and sling bag. And siya. And the strap is adjustable. Ayan.